Top 5 foods to clean your arteries and protect your heart naturally. Did you know clogged arteries are one of the biggest hidden threats to your health after 60? They silently raise your risk of heart attacks, strokes, and loss of mobility, and sometimes without warning. But here's the good news. Your diet can play a huge role in keeping your arteries clean and your heart strong. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 foods seniors can eat every day to naturally clean their arteries, improve circulation, and protect their heart for years to come. Stick around. Number 5 might surprise you and could be the easiest change to make in your daily routine. But before we start, if you're new here and you care about staying strong and independent, please like this video, hit subscribe, and tap the bell. Your support helps us create more vital health tips for you. Let's dive in. 1. Fatty fish. Omega-3 heart protectors. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and prevent plaque buildup inside arteries. Why it works? Omega-3 fatty acids improve blood flow by reducing inflammation and preventing blood clots. They also reduce triglycerides and increase HDL, the good cholesterol, all essential for keeping arteries clean. In fact, studies show that eating fatty fish just twice a week can lower the risk of dying from heart disease. How to enjoy? Aim for at least 2 to 3 servings per week, with each serving being about the size of your palm. Grill, bake, or steam your fish to retain nutrients. Avoid deep frying. Pro tip: canned wild salmon is a convenient option that is rich in omega-3s and calcium for stronger bones. Adding a squeeze of lemon not only boosts flavor, but also enhances nutrient absorption. 2. Berries. Sweet artery cleaners. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries aren't just delicious. They're packed with antioxidants and fiber that keep your arteries healthy. Why it works? Berries are rich in flavonoids and anthocyanins, powerful compounds that reduce inflammation, prevent plaque buildup, and improve arterial flexibility. Research shows that eating berries regularly can lower blood pressure and reduce arterial stiffness. Here's the best part. They're naturally sweet, but much lower in sugar than most fruits. How to enjoy? Add berries to your breakfast oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. They make an easy snack and add natural sweetness without extra sugar. Pro tip: frozen berries are just as nutritious as fresh ones and can be stored year-round. Seniors who have difficulty chewing can blend berries into smoothies or soft puddings to still get all the benefits. 3. Leafy greens. Nature's artery protectors. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are loaded with nitrates, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that help keep arteries clear. Why it works? Leafy greens improve blood flow and lower blood pressure by helping your body produce nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. They also contain vitamin K, which helps prevent calcium buildup in the arteries. How to enjoy? Aim for at least 2 to 3 cups daily. Add greens to salads, soups, smoothies, or scrambled eggs for a nutritious boost. Pro tip: for seniors with difficulty chewing, lightly steamed greens or blended green smoothies are excellent ways to get nutrients without strain. A drizzle of olive oil enhances nutrient absorption. 4. Garlic, the heart's natural cleanser. Garlic isn't just a flavorful spice, it's a potent heart protector. Studies show that garlic can help lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and prevent plaque buildup. Why it works? Garlic contains allicin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Allicin helps prevent hardening of the arteries and improve circulation. How to enjoy? Add fresh garlic to salads, soups, stir-fries, or dressings. Let chopped garlic sit for a few minutes before cooking to maximize allicin formation. Pro tip: if raw garlic is too strong, roasted garlic is milder and just as beneficial. Garlic supplements can also be an option, but check with your doctor. especially if you're taking blood thinners. 5. Walnuts. Crunchy heart guardians. These nutrient-packed nuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber that protect arteries and lower cholesterol. Why it works? Omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts help reduce inflammation in blood vessels, improve circulation, and reduce plaque buildup. They also help balance cholesterol levels, protecting your heart and arteries over time. How to enjoy? A small handful, about 7 to 10 walnuts, daily is enough to see benefits. Eat them as a snack, sprinkle them on oatmeal or salads, or add them to smoothies. Pro tip: store walnuts in the fridge or freezer to maintain freshness and nutrient content. For seniors who have difficulty chewing, finely chopped walnuts or walnut butter are delicious and easy to consume. These 5 foods, fatty fish, berries, leafy greens, garlic, and walnuts, aren't just tasty, they are powerful allies in protecting your arteries and keeping your heart healthy well into your later years. By adding them to your daily diet, you can naturally reduce plaque buildup, improve circulation, and lower the risk of heart disease. The best part? You don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Start by adding one new food each week and notice how your body responds. Small, consistent changes are the key to lifelong heart health. Remember, your heart
If this
is the
video
engine
helped
that
you,
keeps your
please
body
like
running.
it and
Treat
subscribe
it
for
well,
more
and it will
science-backed health
serve you
tips
for
for seniors.
decades. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, share it with a friend or loved one, and subscribe for more senior health tips. Your golden years can be your healthiest years. Let's make that happen together.